Christian? That'll teach you to be a Christian.
Somebody get me out of here.
Now, you're gonna write me a list of all the Christians in this school, or else. Got it? Let's get writing.
Saul, why do you persecute me?
I'm not persecuting you, I'm persecuting these Jesus kids.
I am Jesus, so cut it out.
Okay.
And change your name to Paul. Saul has a bad rep now.
You got it. Sorry about that whole persecuting.
I already forgave you.
Huh, thanks a lot. Hey, look, buddy. Sorry about locking you in here.
That's okay. I forgive you.
Thanks. Hey, Steven. I kind of had a change of heart. You want to teach me how to preach? Oh, right. Sorry.
Thought you never asked.
Come on in, guys. Now you're all under arrest. Just kidding, just kidding. I'm totally on your side now. I'm a Christian.